In this video, I'll show you how Mobile311 can be used in the sanitation solid waste industry and show you how successful one of our clients has been using the Mobile311 solution. The sanitation department of Asheboro, North Carolina has been one of our most successful clients. Before Mobile311, they were spending too much time and money running multiple trucks around the city. The brush trucks were running every street along with the garbage trucks. This was inefficient and wasteful. After implementing Mobile311, they had their garbage truck marks pickups for the other trucks in the morning, and then the brush trucks would run point-to-point in the afternoon, saving time and fuel. This small change, made possible through Mobile311, was able to help save Asheboro 64% in labor, maintenance, and fuel costs. So how did Asheboro get from the before to the after? It started with a question. How can we be more efficient while saving money and maintaining or improving our high-quality service? Normally, purchase solutions can only do two of the three. If it's quick and cheap, it's not high quality. If it's cheap and high quality, it's not quick. And if it's high quality and quick, it's usually not cheap. We've created a solution that can do all three, and it's Mobile311. So exactly what is Mobile311? It's a web map and it's a phone application that work in tandem. They're both customizable, so you can track what you want when you want. So how does it work and how does it solve Asheboro's problem? Here's the basics. First, a driver flags an issue, like a brush pile, to pick up. Once the button is pushed, the phone instantly gathers data via the internal GPS and uploads via cellular data network. Then the point will show up on the map within seconds, where the all-important data can be viewed, including time, location, type of issue, who flagged it, and more. From the map interface, managers and dispatchers can change the status of current pickups, input pickups, print out maps, print out lists, and more. Mobile311 can also push data to other work order systems so that all your databases are up to date. Departments can analyze this data to see which areas regularly have more items to pick up and which houses may need to be charged an additional fee for their pickups. Better tracking of this data can lead to increased revenues. And of course, you can also save driving time if your early morning crews mark issues so that your second run crews can go point to point. The only way to make large gas-guzzling trucks more fuel efficient is to drive them less. Mobile311 can give you better data that will allow you to make quicker, more informed decisions and save you money. And now we're going to show you the system live and in action.
Okay, we're looking at one of our clients, Asheboro, North Carolina, and what we're looking at is the city, and the dots you see are junk piles and brush piles. Now I'm going to turn the junk piles off to keep the example simple. So by simply clicking that off, we can see now only the brush piles. These are brush piles that were marked today. As the automated truck driver was driving his route, when they would encounter a brush pile, they would simply touch the brush button on the mobile phone. The mobile phone is mounted on the dashboard in a ruggedized box. Upon pressing the button, the GPS location of that appears as a dot on the map. So during the day, the dots will actually appear as the trucks are running their route. Now we can zoom in a little closer and take a look at some of these items. What we see is that the brush piles that have been located are not on every single street. So our brush truck now has a perfect map to run around and actually go pick these up. You can print this map out on paper by simply touching the print button, or you can have a laptop in the truck and interactively have the brush truck go out and simply pick up the brush piles. This will save a tremendous amount of fuel in your trucks because they don't have to run down every street if there's nothing there to pick up. Simply turning on the junk button, now you can route your junk truck, and you can turn the brush off, and then you give this map to the junk driver, and then the junk truck driver knows exactly where to go, and here again does not have to go down every street to make the routes and picking up all the items that the citizens have left out. It's a very simple system and it works very well.
So why Mobile311? Well, if we go back to our triangle, it saves you time. Your crews can be more effectively dispatched and you can waste less time. And when you're wasting less time driving, that means you have more time for other projects. And of course, it saves you time when you communicate between the field and the office. It can help you improve your service. Your quicker response times will be noticed in the community, and you can quickly take care of citizen complaints. You can also see where your trucks currently are, so you can respond to emergencies quicker. And lastly, it saves you money. When you drive less, you save money on fuel, labor, and maintenance. You can also make more money. By more accurately keeping track of your customer charges and pickups, you can increase your revenues. And of course, Mobile311 is affordable from the start and can be implemented quickly, so you can see ROI as soon as you purchase the system. So if you're interested in any more information, need any help, or possibly want to purchase the system, please contact us by email or by phone, and make sure to visit our website, www.mobile311.com, where you can find out more information